Welcome, folks, to 2026. I hope your year's been as good as ours has been. And for us, we've got one more gift here that Santa brought over that we haven't opened yet. So, exactly. We have got in a different video, we'll see this, we've got a rear wheel bearing replacement job.
Yes.
Right? So, we got that coming up. We'll do another video. But in the talk about, getting those bearings seated.
We didn't want to pay for it.
Exactly, we didn't want to pay for it. So running around and trying to find somebody who's got a press to seat these can be a pain in the butt. So what we decided is, you know what, new tools are always fun.
Always.
So we thought, exactly, why don't we get a set? We can do all sorts of other jobs with it, not just bearing jobs. So what we did is we went ahead and we picked up one of these from Amazon. So we're not sure what the quality's gonna be like. It looked pretty good on the website.
It looked great.
It looked good on the website. We're gonna take a chance, but today we've got a brand new press we're gonna unbox here with you. We're gonna take a look and we're gonna see whether it's worth your money. We'll talk about how much it costs a little bit later in the video. But to go along with this as well, we also got one of these wonderfully colorful master bearings or drive master sets. So we're gonna see how that does as well. Hopefully we've got the size we need in there. We're gonna find out once we get the car pulled off. So again, that'll be another video, but let's open this up. We'll crack into it. We'll start tearing it apart. We'll assemble it. We'll take a look at it. We'll give our opinions on what we think. Yeah, let's see what we think. Exactly, and we'll see whether it's worth you picking one up if this is something that you might need as well.
Alrighty, let's see what we got.
Yeah, let's see what we got in this one. I mean, it's well packaged. I'll give it
Very
that.
well packaged.
Yeah, coming from Amazon. I mean, it's wrapped and strapped, and so far it doesn't look damaged at all.
Nope. Hey, little extra. A little easier.
Yeah.
Oh, more.
More strapping.
More strapping.
Perfect.
Alrighty.
Very good. We even got a table set up for you and everything.
Perfect. Alright.
You can muscle that up there yourself?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's see what we got.
What's the brand on it that it just said? Distributed by Garvey. Okay. All right. No idea. It's not where we got it from. This was purchased straight from Amazon. They had a lot of choices, and we went with this one because it was a little bit taller.
Yep.
So maybe a little bit higher than just a bench level size one. So we did that. I'll find the specs out. You know what? I'll put them in the description below, and maybe a link to it as well if anybody else wants to pick one up. It's probably good. But yeah. Oh, what is all that? Is it? Let me get a bag in there too. Oh. What is that? A cover?
It's a cover.
It's a cover. It's even got a picture on it as well.
That.
How perfect. All right, I'm already sold on it. I don't know about you, but
Oh yeah.
wasn't expecting that little added gift.
Oh, look at that, eh?
Yeah, so you can cover it up. Ha! Well, I'll be perfect. All right, we'll throw that on the workbench. And
There off to the side.
yeah, we'll show the driver's set a little bit later too. A few parts
what do
here.
we
You know what? I'll get the lid out of your way.
Lay these out. See what we got.
Yeah. And we did like the red color.
Yes.
So I know
Definitely.
it seems silly, but we just really like the look of the red, and it was the bigger one. And I think this was 10,000 pounds instead of 8,000. Is that right?
12 ton.
12 ton. Okay,
12.
sorry. Yeah, 12 ton. So
So it's a manual.
manual bottle jack press.
Oh, some assembly required.
Holy jumping. Yeah, you got a bag of bits.
Bag of bits, some springs.
Not where we're going. Huh. Did it come with instructions?
I have not found those yet.
Oh boy. Once we get all the parts out, we'll get rid of the box and everything here.
Yeah. Two of those.
All right, so what else we got?
This will be.
Try not to take it in the face already.
Crossbar. Heavy duty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not bad?
Nice gauge.
Pretty solid?
Quite solid.
Yeah, that's actually a little bit thicker than I expected.
Got some weight to it.
That's pretty good, honestly.
I ain't complaining about that.
Yeah.
And I believe we have one more of these.
So no, let's. Oh, you know what? I bet you the instructions you got to hit that QR code, and I bet you that's probably where it's going to come up, unless that opens up any.
Scan me here.
Yeah. Okay.
Flexible protection.
Well, that maybe it's just the warranty information.
Maybe.
All right. Well, we might be figuring this one on our own. They want us on the bag, but no instructions on assembly. I mean, I'm sure we can figure it out. All right, so we found the instructions on the ground. So the lighting is in the back. Not a lot. 12-ton shop press. Oh, okay. Well, operation, maintenance, warnings, troubleshooting, and oh, I see.
The diagram.
That's
got a
it.
picture.
That's all we've got is a diagram and a list of parts. So I'm sure we can figure it out.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure we can figure it out.
No problem.
All right, it was on the ground. It must have fell out somewhere, but we got it.
All right.
So yeah, let's. I guess we'll get to it then, huh? All right. Okay. So after much fiddling, the pictures on Amazon
Don't match the drawing.
don't match the configuration of the vertical beams, which we shouldn't be surprised. But amazingly, the Chinese drawings are fine.
Yeah.
This is okay.
Yeah.
We were looking at the Amazon picture when we bought it, and we also discovered we ordered an orange one and it's red, but we both agreed the red is much better.
Much better.
So, you know what? Still win. So, I mean, other than the lack of, good instructions, so far, it is a solid piece.
And that is not a 14.
Is it a different bolt size?
On the other side, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You got two different bolt sizes here.
No, not a 15 either.
You think we're ready now?
I think we're ready now.
Ah, we got everything we need now. Ball joints. That's what I was trying to think of. Ball joints.
Okay.
Bearings and ball joints.
Bearings and ball joints.
I knew it'd come back to me eventually. All right. 10% built.
10% built.
10% built.
100% effort.
100% confused? You got that upside down. Yeah, the hole's up there. Spin it around.
This way.
This way. Oh! All right, and then that. Goes here. And then how did this go? This went from that.
We got legs.
Looks like something, doesn't it?
We got legs.
That's it. Let's press stuff. All right, what's next?
All right. That makes sense.
All right, after much fiddling, we think we've got this right. We just got to crank those down tight now. Tight-ish.
Tight-ish, if that's where we want it.
Right, because they do have to sit on the outside, it looks like.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, and then we can move it up. You just pull these out, and you can slide it up and down to where you want it. Right. Right. Okay.
Like so.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's
Coming together.
it's coming together. All right.
Right. All right.
Let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
We need to go and pick up a couch today already. So we've already moved the couch.
Not just a couch.
Yeah.
A queen size pull-out.
Pull-out couch. Jerry here got sick of sleeping on my crappy chairs or my trailer that's freezing in the middle of winter. So I thought it would be prudent to maybe finally invest in a pull-out couch that my wife's been asking for quite some years now.
Well, I ain't helpful.
So you can sleep
I
good.
can't move my back.
Yeah, exactly. Getting seized up comes easy these days. Absolutely. So we're already starting off the day a little worn out. But we had to play with a new toy, right?
Yep. All right. Gotta do a review.
Get a fire going, hang out in the garage, you know. And
Prep for the next video.
prep for the next video. Yeah, we got to get this done so we can do the next video. So, yep, we're going to be busy with that real soon. And that will be the next video we'll release. He must need one more. No? Oh, I need one more.
You need one more.
I'm the one that
I
got
counted
fired.
4.
Yeah. Alright, so now we got to press and clean that. It looks like this goes, one pack goes in there. I see it now. That's it in there in the spot. There. That's it. Yeah, you can move it whatever you want. Or keep going up. Is this? That's it. Let's go to the top. Maybe we'll pop. Maybe it's okay. Yeah.
Tighten.
You know what? I'm hoping there's fluid in it.
Yeah, me too.
If it doesn't move, it's moving. I mean, sure, okay.
Again, we have nothing there.
There's nothing under there. Yeah.
So,
But we've got it assembled. It really is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it wasn't terrible to figure out. It's not a lot of parts. Huh.
wonder if maybe I'm just going to tighten that more. Nope, that's tight.
Right.
Okay.
I almost want to squish something with it now.
I know. What?
Right? What can we flatten?
What do we have that we can flatten?
Oh, you know what we haven't shown yet?
Oh!
We've got our cool little kit. Go ahead and open that up.
All right.
So, yeah. So, I don't know. It's a basic kit. What did we pay for this thing? $24?
$24.
It's nothing special. We were sucker for the fancy colors.
More of a punch.
Yeah, exactly. I guess that's for, like you said, to hammer it in, maybe. But you have all the sizes here. We ordered this with the kit. We'll see if this is going to work. It's got the different
DMT.
measurements on them and stuff.
Device motor tech.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
I mean, if they don't bend all the heck and they work at all, then we'll be impressed, I think. Like I said, it wasn't very much.
And that would go in there.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Or the opposite way.
Yeah.
But it's more.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's try it out. Bearing removal. It's gonna go bang. It's gonna scare the crap out of us when it does it, isn't it? I see it subtly moving.
Subtly moving.
Yeah. Good idea. There it goes. That did it.
One more.
She popped. I told you it was going to scare us when it did, didn't I? Nicely done. All right, well, that worked. Yeah, that's a janky stack of blocks there. But but it's
There it
moving.
goes.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah,
going
there it
down.
goes.
Oh yeah, that's what we want to hear. All right, it looks sketchy as can be, but it worked. Yeah, you're maxed on the jack.
We're max on the jack.
All right, good. We are so close. All right, we are ready to start pressing a bearing this time. And you're going to see this is a nice frosty bearing that we just took out of the freezer. It's been sitting there all day. And now, whoa, it is not going in the way it's supposed to. It's all right. We weren't centered. That's all that means. We'll fix it up. She's going in a little bit on an angle, maybe a little bit crooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see this side is higher.
Yeah. All right.
Reset, try again.
That one end was higher.
It was.
There it goes.
Yep, it's moving now. Yep, it's just going in straight now. You got it, buddy.
I'm going to back her off and add another disc.
Okay.
Just to get the height.
There it goes.
Bottomed out there.
You think he hit the bottom of the ring? Well, it looks like there's a pretty good gap there. There we have it. It's a little, you know, loose in places, but yep, put a couple plates down.
Your secure plates.
There we go. Yep.
That's it. I like it.
So
I think I like it.
I think it's overall not so bad. I think it's going to get the job done.
Again, Amazon.
Amazon, and I did say we would talk about the price. So, do you remember what we paid for this now?
No.
I think it was like $210. I think
for
we put
$210?
about $100 each into it, and you know, for $200, this is the taller one. They have the smaller versions, which are like a workbench style. This is the least I think you could at least stand here and work on it.
Yeah.
Right? So,
And we're old, so we're not kneeling.
yeah, exactly. So that's a lot better, I think.